I've been broken, I've been lost in the dark. Thought the silence would tear me apart. But in the middle of my midnight cry, I heard his whisper, "Child, I'm by your side." People walked out, left me all alone. Their promises faded like a distant song. But he showed up, not loud, not proud, just love in his hands and mercy pouring down. You might not know what I've been through, but God saw every tear I ever knew. When the world said, "You're too far gone," he gently said, "I've been here all along." He never let go, even when I did. He stayed when I ran, forgave what I hid. My Redeemer lives, he knows my name. He picked me up, and I'll never be the same. I used to think I had to be perfect to earn his love, to finally be worth it. But he taught me about amazing grace that meets me right in my lowest place. Oh, I'm not standing 'cause I'm strong, because his strength has held me all along. And if you ask why I still sing, it's 'cause Jesus gave me back everything. He never let go, even when I did. He stayed when I ran, forgave what I hid. My Redeemer lives, he knows my name. He picked me up, and I'll never be the same. Yeah, yeah. He never let go. And as long as I've got breath, I'll keep telling this story. Jesus never let go.